lahat ng transport, hindi lang to tricycle, taxi, jeepney, bus drivers, including yung mga naghahatid ng pagkain to, ha, pati yung mga multinational na it's not easy to import, let's say, medicine, then get it to all the islands of the Philippines, ha. Doble, triple yung logistics mo noon dahil gasolina o crudo or ano din ang gamit ng mga vapor, tapos yung diesel din ang gamit ng mga truck. So we want to shift to that. But sila ang stuck sa hindi na sila majority.
But in your preliminary,
We'll discuss muna with the new majority. But bunsod na nga ng aking damdaming kanina yon nung nakita ko lahat ng pulis. 'Di ba? Kawawa naman yung pulis. They should be manning their post. They should be at least not exposed sa araw, bringing those heavy gears, 'di ba? Pero we're creating this tense situation.
But in your preliminary investigation, sir, may lumalabas ba ng active plot para arestuhin si Senator Bato noong Monday? May active plot from colleagues na arrest para
yun ang sinasabi ng NBI na alam at ang sinabi hulihin siya.
Were you aware also? Because sabi ni Senator Ping, Cayetano siblings were apparently aware, kaya nandun daw siya sa sakyan ninyo.
Yeah, I think my sister will speak about that. Ako, natural, aware ako. Nagsalita ako doon at sinabi ko that he's coming into the building. Kaya sila gulat na gulat dahil every time na magpapalit, gumagawa ng paraan na takutin siya na wag pumunta dito. Saan kayo nakakita? Nung wala dito, no work, no pay, nasaan ka, magpakita ka, mag-resign ka na lang kung ayaw. Nung nagpakita, huhulihin mo. Ngayon na nandito na, gusto mo namang isuko.
Pero sir, nakita niyo ba so far sa preliminary investigation niyo na may active plot?
I don't wanna go beyond what I said already because I'm going to meet the majority. I'm going to look at all the reports. Basically, inulit ko lang yung sinabi ko ngayon, yung sinabi ko sa podium yesterday, di ba? Nung nagsalita si Senator Soto, sabi niya ganito ganyan, binasa ko yung sinabi ng Sergeant at Arms. Sabi ng Sergeant at Arms, hindi. Not only 7 a.m., 2 p.m. pinakita pa rin sa inyo. Di ba? Sinabi po ng NBI, sir, makakapasok ba lahat ng agents, nandiyan ba silang lahat kung hindi pa pumayag si SP? Pumayag si SP. So, hanggang dun lang muna ako, di ba? I'm just saying that we're trying to shift to the bigger picture, which is the spiritual, financial, economic, social well-being of our country, not only the political. Oh, but what is the other side doing? Diba?
Sir, meron po bang active threat ngayon sa leadership niyo considering na medyo magulo dahil dito nga?
We will assume that, di ba?